Hello everyone. In today's video, let's have a look how we can quickly create a meme. First thing we need to do is to enlarge the canvas, so we can add text to it. We can do this with the help of the cropping tool. Now that we have resized our canvas, let's fit it to screen by using the navigator panel. The background is currently transparent, so we need to add a white fill layer. Once the layer is added and set to white color, we need to move it to the background. Excellent. Now to add round edges around the images. This can be easily done by adding a rectangle and setting its corner type to round. We can adjust the roundness by dragging the handles in the corner. Once happy with our rectangle, next step is to drag and drop the image to the rectangle in the channels panel so it gets cropped by the rectangle. Time to add the meme text. Select a suitable font and type in your text. After adding the text, resize it accordingly so it fits nicely in the canvas. As a final step, we can add a curves layer to make the image look better. And our meme is done. Time to share it on social media, I guess. Thanks again for watching, and until next time.